Hi there. A few things from today. So we had a fluid art workshop today with a large variety of colors, as you can see here, all kind. So as I always try to teach our students here at the studio to select your colors pretty in a wise way. It depends what color combination you are doing, what colors you're putting together, cold, warm, how they will look together. But anyway, we were using a few canvases, we were using magnet canvases, we were using wood. So the main, I will say the main piece was this one. It's a large piece of wood, really awesome. It looks beautiful. So we did prepare this wood before actually applying color on it. In the next video I will be showing you how we were preparing this wood, but overall this came really nice. So as you can see here, we used probably 1, 2, 3, I would say 4 different colors, including white and blue, and this came up really nice. It's still pretty wet. I will not pick it up another side because this will start dripping, but the cells came up really nice, even if we did not put a lot of silicone here, but the cells still came up really nice. We did use, I believe, this size of a cup when we were applying the color here, so the cup was almost full when we applied on the wood here, and then the cup was actually put it in the center right here when we were applying the color, so the color came up really even all over. But anyway, I think this looks very pretty. I'm sure that this, once it gets dry completely, we will be applying some varnish on it. Looks beautiful, and the sides, we probably won't be working on the sides much here, just to leave it as an artistic as it is now. But this can be a great piece for, I don't know, for the house to have it on the table. It looks very pretty. So was happy to share this with you. Keep following our channel and see more videos. We'll be posting a few more soon, and we'll be happy if you will be creating with us.